explain you how to create Valentine special photo holders. So these are pine wood holders. As you can see, these are new arrivals, and we'll be using these wood stains. So these are few different color of wood stains that we'll be using. We'll be using some paint, okay, to add some messages. I will be using this heart-shaped MDF cutout. You can use any shape. These are acrylic cutouts. These are also available with us. We'll be using this varnish. This is aquarelle varnish, just in a small container. And to stick, I'll be using this Fevibond. All right, so let's get started. So this is super simple, super fun. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use the wood stain. So just taking some wood stain into this holder. I'm adding some pink color just to give it a little more, so just don't be afraid to, mix wood stain shade. You can mix two wood stain to get your own shade. What I'm doing out here is just painting this pine wood photo frame with this. See, if you don't want to paint and you like it raw, there's so many people, they like it raw also. You can keep it as it is, but I'm painting it here. I'm staining it with wood stain, and it's pretty simple. See, I'm not using a glove, but in case you don't want stain to stick to your hands, you can wear gloves. So the best part of the stain is that it really dries quickly. Alright, so I'll just do the top as well. Alright, so let this dry. I'll keep it aside to dry. So I'm going to use this green color now. This is the prime green color, which I'm going to use for the other holder. So I'm going to paint two holders. So just take the other holder, another brush, and stain it with the other color. What happens actually when your stain dries, right? It becomes a little lighter in color. Alright, so our two holders are ready. We'll leave them for drying for some time. Maybe 5 minutes, let it dry. Alright, so after let it dry. Until this is drying, I will just paint this. I'll be using this Fabicol red to paint this heart cutout. I'll just paint it red, as this is Valentine special. This also dries pretty quickly. I'll also paint the back side of it. So I'll just keep it for drying again. So by the time this is dried, our holder is already dried. I am going to use this varnish. This is a glossy varnish to just, alright, so I'm going to use a varnish to just varnish it. So see, a nice shine. Do the same with the other holder. Apply. So by the time this is drying, and this is already dried, so these are the cutouts, my acrylic cutouts that I'm gonna put it on. These on the photo holders. So you see these comes with this covering. So please, you know, certain times these have these stickers on. So remove the sticker. Alright, so this is done. So this is the Valentine special that I'm making. So I'll just make it that this side, and I'm gonna stick this, and on top I'm gonna add this here. And this is a perfect Valentine photo holder. So I'm gonna stick it using Favi Bond. I'm gonna apply a little Favi Bond on the base, and you can apply it actually with your hands. Okay, done. And then just place it in the between the holder. The holder is all ready, and apply a little heavy bond on your acrylic cutouts and just paste it. This has a message: it was always you. And your Valentine photo frame is ready. I am making another one for the friends. So let's put this friends one here. Is your photo frame. So I'm just going to add this embellishment here. Right. And our two photo frames are ready. How we're going to use it? So I can actually put a photograph like this, and maybe another photograph like